Hey, Chef Andre here. Today we're going to be making some balsamic vinaigrette, paleo style. Going to start off with a quarter of sweet onion, chop it up real good, a little bit less work for the blender. After that, we're going to add a nice clove of garlic. You can always add more if you like. And after that, we've got about a half a sprig of rosemary and 1 sprig of fresh oregano. Make sure we peel off all the leaves from the woody stalks. Chop it up real good. Those rosemary leaves like to hide behind the blades of the blender and clog up the works. After that, we've got a tablespoon of organic tomato paste. I like the double concentrated kind. After that, do a half of a ripe serrano pepper. You can always use a jalapeno or something else if you like, or even crushed red pepper. We've got a quarter cup of balsamic vinegar, about 2 tablespoons of monkfruit sweetener, about a tablespoon of honey. You can always add more if you like it sweeter. It also helps to thicken the dressing, and sometimes the monkfruit will have an odd taste. After that, we're going to add some Dijon mustard. Adds a depth to the flavor, low calorie. And then about a teaspoon of salt and pepper mix. Mixture is about 20% pepper, 80% salt. Now we got to blend it real well before we even add the oil to it. Now we're going to be adding the oil. It's about 3/4 of a cup of olive oil in a steady stream. Take your time with this. If you add too much of it, it's not going to mix. And just keep blending, be patient, and you'll see it start to lighten in color. Make sure you turn off the blender, scrape the sides, make sure there's no little bits and pieces of the peppers or oregano. If it seems to be a little bit too thick, add some water, and just keep blending. Adjust the seasoning. If you want it a little bit sweeter, add some more monk fruit or honey. I usually end up adding some more salt and pepper at the end. And that's it. Just store it, put it in the fridge. It tastes best about 24 hours after it sits in the fridge for some reason. Thanks.